Good morning, everybody. Matt here at Big Pine, and we are starting the day. We got Shad and Jordan and Joe over here, and you guys want to show you as we were coming into work. Well, actually all weekend it's been raining here quite a bit, and one of the things that kind of came to mind here for me, and again, being the new guy, you know, it takes a little bit longer for things to really set in, but I wanted to show you with the rain out here today, obviously mud, whatnot, that right there, that's the Kawasaki Mule, and it is hands down one of my most favorite machines, just for my own personal reasons. But as Jordan was pulling that out, I was like, man, that kind of sucks, because that is a fully open cab, and I want to show you, you know, Can-Am Defender. But look at this, we're gonna hop into this HD Defender Limited. Look at this. This is, even though it's raining, fully enclosed cab, nice, dry on the inside. But check this out. It is literally snowing only a few hundred feet above us, and that's where this little heating mechanism right here would definitely come in handy. So as I was getting here, I was like, man, all those ranchers and farmers and those guys that, you know, still out doing their chores, because just because it's raining doesn't mean the work stops. I was like, this is probably one of those machines that they would love to have. You know, they're out working with the livestock or whatever. They could jump back into their nice warm machine and still go get the work done that they need to. And then, you know, take a break from it, get in here, get all nice and warm, and just have that as basically one of their tools that they use around the farm, around the ranch, whatever it may be. But then also, this can still get you out into the hills even if the weather's bad. So if you still want to get out, take a ride, and just, you know, some of us like seeing it when it rains outside, and just the beauty that comes with the rain up into the hills, the trees, makes everything look greener. This would be one of those machines that you could really do it in, because outside of a truck, these have got better suspension. They can get you out, you know, that, I mean, push button 4-wheel drive, push button 4-diff lock, you know, so if you get into a little bit hairier situation, which modern trucks don't have, the suspension on these is hands down way better. So a lot softer ride. Plus, you know, I mean, if you just wanted to hop in and go cruise around, this is definitely a good way to do it. So that was something I kind of noticed today as I was coming into work, and the rain, I mean, literally the top of those hills right there, you're starting to see a little bit of dust of snow at the top. Morning. Morning. So something to think about if you're looking at a side-by-side and wondering, hey, should I get a fully enclosed cab? This would be one of the benefits for having one, is inclement weather like this, still being able to get out and do what you want to do, and still being able to get out and get the work done. So come on in, we are open all day. Come and chat with us, check out all the machines that we have here in stock on the floor, ready to go. All sorts to choose from, and if there's questions, put those in the comments down below, or give us a call, 435-427-3338. I'm Matt out here at Big Pine, and we will see you in the next one.